at peace with myself, but that doesn't mean that I'll stop my growth. I love reading books, but as soon as you pressurize me that okay, you have to complete 10 pages of a book in one day, I'm not gonna read it. And she looks at me like she's sitting here. She looks at me, and I look towards her, and she goes like, and turns her head towards that. And the very first time in my life, I remember there was something just happening inside my gut. I asked mom, yeah, like my stomach is hurting for some reason. And that was the first time it happened. आँखों में तेरी. Yeah. I listened to that, okay? I remember my first panic attack. I was just standing in my balcony and suddenly I had this pain here. At this point, my girlfriend, आज भी अगर हम 2 या 3 दिन बात नहीं करें, तो she is all right. Now when you come back to your home, to your comfort space, which you call your partner, that should not be performative. That should be a place to recharge. Now, for example, my love language is words of affirmation. My girlfriend's love language is acts of service. लेकिन अब मेरी लव लैंग्वेज और उसकी लव लैंग्वेज रेजोनेट नहीं कर रही, मिक्स मैच है. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं प्यार नहीं दिखा रहा और ऐसा नहीं है वो प्यार नहीं दिखा रही. उसको प्यार वैसे चाहिए जो उसको चाहिए. मेरे को प्यार वैसे देना है जो जैसे मेरे को देना है ना. तो इसीलिए बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है लव लैंग्वेज को समझना कि उसकी क्या है, तुम्हारी क्या है, दूसरे वाले की क्या है. मैंने जितने लोगों को देखा है ना, अरे टाइम निकल रहा है, अरे शादी नहीं हो रही, उनकी नहीं हो रही. सच्ची बता रहा हूँ यार. Okay. मैंने सोचा मेरे को करनी नहीं है अभी, और मेरी हो रही. दिमाग से निकाल दो कि भैया हमने कभी मांगा भी था. अपने आप तुम्हारे पास चल के ऐसे सर झुकाते हुए आएगा वो चीज.
Firstly, Piyush, hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. So Sunday है and you just had your lunch. तो बताओ, how does your Sunday look like?
Dude, after a very long time, this is one Sunday that I've given to myself of not doing anything. And in this as well, I'm recording a podcast. I am going to shoot 2 videos for the Missing Piece channel. So, I mean, and I'm not doing anything regarding my business.
When you were not doing this business, how long has it been?
A year now? Yeah.
A year.
Maybe more than a year, actually. 1 year, 6 months. For 6 months, I was working with British Telecom and I just abruptly quit my job. And for 6 months, I was figuring stuff out. I was exploring. I was in the US for a month as well, trying to look for some opportunities there. I went to Dubai as well to look for opportunities, what I can do. But I was not able to figure out anything. And that was the worst phase of my life. फिर उसके बाद 4 months, I would say, I worked on this brand named Aurelis, which I was starting a car perfume brand, but that also didn't.
Take off.
It didn't take off. I mean, it reached till production, but the cost was too heavy, so I just didn't start it. And then I started Campus On. So my current brand. Campus On is offering consultancy to a lot of higher education institutions on how to make more money. Yeah.
So do you think you finally found the thing, or do you think that you're still exploring?
No, I mean, nah.
Right?
What is about finding a thing?
You're at peace with yourself. You don't feel like
yeah.
You are temporarily
At peace with myself, but that doesn't mean that I'll stop my growth. Being in peace with yourself doesn't mean that okay, you cannot look for more opportunities. So if you're saying that this is the thing for me, nah.
No. Okay. Tell me about your childhood. Let's step back. Were you a shy kid? Were you a naughty kid? Were you a perfect kid?
Rebel.
Straight
up rebel. I didn't study at all.
But you were playing also.
I was playing basketball. I'm a state level player, and Yeah, so my main focus was towards basketball and that one girlfriend I had at that point.
वो
So
तो focus है.
my main focus was that. Uh, when it comes to studies, 12th में 10th में कभी किसी को सोचा है इंग्लिश के पेपर के लिए पूरी लिटरेचर छोड़ के गया.
Okay.
So
Quite a
yeah,
rebel.
yeah. I don't like the Indian education system as such. Like everything is so, just mug it up, just drink all the content and then just puke it out on the paper. That is what I didn't like about the education system. Not, I'm not saying that everyone is like that, but me personally, I was like that. That I used to mug everything up and then just puke it. I don't like being pressured. You have no idea. I mean, how much I read. I I am a bookworm. I just cannot stay without books. They are my biggest help. I don't trust people. I just trust books when it comes to any sort of self. Even I have tried it all. I have tried shadow work. I have tried meditations. I have tried therapist. I have also had a psychiatrist at this one point. But the amount of solace and freedom and patience books taught me, no one else has. Meditation as well, but it comes second for me.
And what kind of books? Self-help.
All sort of self-help books, yes.
Sort of
Everything
self.
about brain, everything about neuroscience, journaling, manifestation, healing, any sort of thing. Just like that. I love reading books, but as soon as you pressurize me that okay, you have to complete 10 pages of a book in one day, I'm not gonna read it.
So if you could go back to your childhood, what would you change? Would you change anything? Till 15, 20, 18 years, I say.
Yes, this is part of shadow work as well. Like that you go back to your childhood,
Yeah.
you just tell that child that it's all right, everything's gonna be fine. Like this is your older self talking, and you figured it all out. You went through all of those things, but you just forgive yourself, and that is shadow work that you do. But not exactly that. I would say I would ask myself to not be that scared to just give it to people in their face, man. Do what you want to do because everything's gonna pan out the right way for you.
As it meant to be, okay. Or
And one more thing. Not listen to sad songs.
you used to listen to sad songs as a 15-year-old.
Yes. Yeah. I mean, I was a big time filmy person. Like,
Which
uh,
songs? Chalo.
yeah. Uh, you say, matlab, I don't remember that song. That Om Shanti Om came out at that point, and my first crush, fifth. My first crush was in my fifth standard. I'm not gonna take her name, but
Okay, हाँ, but तब से sad songs. अच्छा वो हुआ कि
हाँ
नहीं
नहीं
हुआ?
sad song. What sorry?
Did it get converted to being a girlfriend या फिर तब से
No,
sad
no,
songs
no,
सुन रहे
no,
हो?
no, 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 that didn't. So, okay, what happened was I used to sing
हाँ.
and I was singing and she was sitting right next to me and I just got so excited that, okay, that person is singing. I have to listen to that person singing and I was just jumping and she looks at me like she's sitting here. She looks at me and I look towards her and she goes like, and turns her head towards that. And the very first time in my life, I remember there was something just happening
अरे.
inside my gut. Like there were butterflies. There was some kind of emotion. And I went back home and I was like, I don't understand what's happening. I asked mom, yeah,
You
like
didn't?
my stomach is hurting for some reason. And that was the first time it happened. And the next time also I saw her, that same feeling. I was like, okay, this is something else. This is something happening. And for the longest time, like I used to go just walk outside her class, see where she's sitting and everything. And then she used to play basketball as well. I used to play basketball as well. So I mean, at all points, whenever girls are having a tournament, I would go there, see, support, and just
क्या
watch her
बात
play.
क्या बात
There were a lot of things,
क्यूट क्यूट क्यूट
but now I'll tell you why I used to listen to sad songs.
हाँ
So what happened was that when it started, उस समय ना ओम शांति ओम बस बाहर just निकली थी, ठीक है? The first time I saw her, I went back. This third, fourth time when I knew that something is happening, I went back home. उस समय, like I had this PC, I downloaded the Om Shanti Om playlist, and the first song I was listening to was "Aankhon Mein Teri."
I was just about to say
Yeah, I listened to that. Okay, and then after that, like good 1 month or 1.5 month passed of me crushing over her. So she just so what happened was we were playing basketball. I asked this other friend of mine, "Who's your crush, bro?" And he's like, "One, I should not take names. One, another girl, and second, that very
was
girl."
me. हाँ
And suddenly my heart dropped. That was the first time I felt heart dropping, and like just that
हाँ
weird kind of feeling that you
yeah
feel.
yeah
I
happened to all
felt
of us
that.
हाँ
I felt that. I went back home. I saw the playlist, and I was like, I just played the song "Dil Jude Bina."
but then who said this your guy friend right he had
Yeah,
a
my
crush
guy friend said
so
that
then why did
he also has a crush on her.
that's okay
So in my head, it was only mine. It was exclusive. अब मैंने सोच लिया है
अरे
तो वो मेरा ही है. So I went back home. I just played दिल जुड़े बिना ही टूट गया. Okay, this third, and then I came up with this feeling of revenge. That no, I'm gonna fight for her. Fifth standard, and
okay
like after that, I started listening to a lot of sad songs because पता नहीं क्यों like that used to resonate with me more. I just used to feel sometimes just being sad also I used to feel good about being sad. And 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 maybe I was manifesting at that point as well. Like this happens, like you just start listening to happy songs. Just whichever playlist you have, make a playlist separately of happy songs
okay
because
then
I'm
happy times will
happy.
come
Huh? Yeah, no, actually, you stop getting sad as much.
yeah
See, the thing about human psychology is that we genuinely, think about sad things more than happy things. We have trained ourselves unconsciously that अगर अच्छा कुछ हो रहा है तो भाई ओह ब्रेस बुरा भी हो जाएगा. नहीं, अच्छा होता है तो बुरा भी होता है, बुरा होता है तो अच्छा भी होता है. लेकिन अच्छे को ज्यादा एक्सप्लोर करो ना. So that is why I say, like, when your playlist becomes like this, then you are subtly training your mind. There's a concept of neuroplasticity, that whatever
yeah
what neurons wire together, they fire together.
हम अल्ट्रा साल में हैं मेरा you're 18 right now
Yeah, that was. I mean, that was one of the hardest parts as well because okay, now I entered a new culture. College, I entered a new culture. I was from Faridabad. कभी English हिंदी में कभी English में बात नहीं करी. I was just this Hindi speaking guy at all points. Not never cared about studies. Read books here and there. Always played basketball or maybe went for swimming at all points and just
casual
like
life चल
yeah,
रहा है
casual life. No hustle at that. I entered college and there were people just like from everywhere. Pune is like the hub of uh, students. Like you have students from Dubai, Doha, Qatar, even Africa. So there was so much mix of culture that to find myself at that point became a little tough for me. See, it went off.
yeah that's fine I saw it okay But why was it tough? Like, were you having a tough time making friends, or was it the academics? Was it the environment? क्या सबसे ज़्यादा tough था? Homesickness.
Not homesickness. There's this one thing about me, I never get homesick. I don't know
Very
why.
lucky.
Like,
Very lucky.
I just don't get homesick. The problem that I faced was I had lack of self-esteem at that point.
That is very
Because
important.
even at home I used to think my parents used to say तू पढ़ता नहीं है कुछ होगा नहीं क्या करेगा कैसे बड़ा मतलब तेरे सारे कजिन्स तेरे से आगे निकल जाएंगे और फिर उसको देख उसने इतना इतना स्कोर किया है हम अपनी शक्ल भी नहीं दिखा सकते तेरे को दुकान खोल के दे देंगे so there were a lot of things that trained me as well to
Yeah.
not think big about myself.
Yeah.
So at that point, also when I entered college, I suddenly I suddenly saw like everyone has achieved so much. Like someone has done MUN, someone is a very good orator, someone can, and I was in a law college. Someone can argue really
Yeah.
well, and the only thing that was I used to think, okay, like I am a pretty little sorted there was just looks कि ठीक है मैं दिख सकता हूँ अच्छा तो हाँ शायद कुछ फर्क पड़ता है
Presentable
उससे
तो वो अच्छा
but I never saw that as a strength as well.
Yeah. Yeah. तो इसलिए sad songs तभी भी था.
हाँ सैड सॉन्ग्स मतलब मैं इफ आई एम सी आई एम कनेक्टिंग डॉट्स की वो भी हो सकता है जो जो मेरे को ऐसे सोचने के लिए मजबूर करता था बिकॉज आई यूज टू लिसन टू ऑल ऑफ सच सॉन्ग. So the self-esteem issue, like I saw people doing so much. I mean, being good at academics and so many things, like waking up on time, getting to the fucking college, and me personally, like I had no drive as such. I just wanted to figure out this day that आज क्या करना है. I still had those days when I used to wake up at okay 8:30. मतलब ब्रेकफास्ट किया 9:30 आके फिर से सो गया when my friends are returning back from college is when I'm waking up. So that took me a while to get over and then I met with an accident. I
Yeah,
lost
tell
my
me
front
about
foot
that.
tooth.
कैसे वो कौन सी ईयर में था? फर्स्ट ईयर में था हो गया था वो एक्सीडेंट?
First year second year.
That's too early then. Like that is why college पूरा एक्सपीरियंस ही खराब हो गया फिर तो.
पूरा एक्सपीरियंस तो नहीं खराब हुआ अच्छे भी एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं आई वुड नॉट जस्ट से दैट but college was that one place that shaped me as well
But
because I
एक्सीडेंट
was
से पहले how
put
were
in
you
a
like? Were there good memories or how were you coping? इस एक्सीडेंट से just पहले. Like,
accident से पहले I didn't care about it. Accident से पहले I had like I was genuinely not scared. I just had self-esteem issues. I just had issues with speaking in front of people
ठीक
and
है.
behaving in a certain way. I got socially anxious, but I was never scared
Yeah.
of anything like that.
Now the accident happens.
Like I had no filters in the sense like I used to friends मजाक कर रहे हैं okay okay I I'm not taking it seriously. I'm like ठीक है चलो करो करो मेरे को जो कराना है मेरे को कराओ and mooch off from people in some or the other way I would say. Mooch off is a very negative word, but like I don't know if people felt that I was doing that
But you didn't
because
care
there
about
were
them so much, so it's okay, I
yeah I
guess.
didn't care about them so much.
Yeah.
So after the accident, okay, I was about the accident. I was riding my cycle and the front tire came off. वो अलग गेड़ी मारने निकल गया यार.
Oh.
And banged my head on the road, broke my front foot teeth, left side of my jaw got dislocated. And that broken part of the teeth pierced my lower lip. So this was hanging, half my face was destroyed, there were no teeth. So at that point also I was in the ICU for like good 6-7 days before my surgery, and after that as well I took 1.5 years to recover. So my weight, I was 80 kgs when I entered college. After my accident, I became 56 kgs. I had 56 kgs of weight. I remember my first panic attack. I was just standing in my balcony and suddenly I had this pain here. And I was like, okay, what is happening?
Heart
And उस
attack.
टाइम पे AI नहीं था यार. उस
हाँ.
टाइम पे प्लेन एंड सिंपल था, चेस्ट में पेन है तो भाई हार्ट अटैक.
Hmm.
So that scared me so much that for the next 20 days, I was just in pure, uh, pure panic. 20 days, 21 days. And like 21 days it takes to put yourself into a habit.
Albert, yeah.
Yeah. So after 21 days, I was not able to get out of it for good 3 years. So I can say that whatever you do for 21 days, it will shape you. I also had hypochondriasis. Hypochondriasis is fear of your health going wrong.
Yeah.
For the longest time, I didn't understand. Then, even for a matter of fact, what happened was that I got this internship in Bombay, and now I am scared to go alone anywhere. I had to go to Bombay. Uh, my I told my parents that okay, I'm scared. I don't think I'll be able to do it. but but just like my escapist attitude of being a rebel and not doing stuff, they saw it as okay, I am making excuses and I'm not,
Yeah.
and I am just trying to avoid this brilliant opportunity that I've got. And that is where I feel if my parents would have supported me a bit, I would have come out of it, because I actually was just a child at that point,
Yeah.
facing
22 is great.
something that I don't even know what's happening. So for that 1 month when I was in when I was in Bombay, every morning I used to call my mom, "Meko dar lag raha hai, dar lag raha hai." Then as soon as I used to reach office, I didn't work at all. I just had this I just had this feeling of safety because there were so many people around that if something happens, they're gonna rush me somewhere. They know they are from Bombay. So that is why in office I was a little less scared than staying alone.
Yeah.
And uh, after the office, I started getting shortness of breath. Anxiety से
Yeah.
asthma भी होता है. I had shortness of breath. I was actually taking those what do you call it? Fufu. What do you call it?
Pump.
Those
Asthma pump.
asthma pump.
Yeah.
Asthma pump. I was actually taking that as at that point as well, because I was not able to breathe properly as well. My whole chest and my back was so constricted that I was not able to breathe. This one friend just came to me and told me, "Yeah, I got a panic attack today, bro. Like there is so much anxiety happening." I was like, "What's
Finally.
that? Yeah, what's that?"
Bingo.
And went back home. I searched about anxiety and slowly started understanding it. Okay, this is happening. And then I never consulted my parents about taking myself to a therapist, or maybe taking anti-anxiety and antidepressants on it. But I took that decision and I just went to the doctor. And then this one therapist of mine, she suggested that you should try meditation once. And me being an obsessive person, okay, meditation was a cool word at that, started becoming a cool word at that point. So I was like, okay, I'll meditate. I started meditating, and automatically things like just started happening. Like s- started happening in the sense I used to meditate that okay, in bed, like I'm lying down, I'm walking in a valley of flowers, I'm touching flowers, and I'm feeling very happy, and everything is
Does that help? Tell me something. I am on the verge of not listening to my best friend telling me, please meditate, you will calm down. Does it actually
no,
work?
yeah, it definitely works, definitely works.
Really?
Yeah, there is now meditation. While you are doing this as well, there is an aspect of feeling involved as well. Now, when you reach a state of coherency, then the impact of meditation is more. ठीक है.
कोहेरेंट से मतलब क्या है?
Where
लाइक
see there are waves like this is coherent waves. This is
ओके
coherent waves. Non-coherent waves is like this and then this and then this and
अच्छा
then this.
सिमेट्रिकल
हाँ,
पीस
symmetrical waves होनी चाहिए.
हाँ
Now that's a scientific aspect of it. What I'm trying to tell you is that your thought should always be involved with a feeling. Otherwise, it won't find expression. The first time you were learning how to ride a cycle, how was it?
व्हील्स के साथ इट वाज ओके
First
बैलेंस था
time,
साइड में ओ
बैलेंस के बिना भी तो साइकिल चलाई होगी कभी.
वो मैं गिर जाती थी वो
हाँ,
मुझे
गिर जाती थी.
मुझे
एग्जैक्टली
गिरना
गिर जाती. यही चाहिए था मेरे को. एग्जैक्टली गिर जाती थी. जब जब साइकिल चलानी सीख सीख रहे थे बिना बैलेंस के, तब बैलेंस बिगड़ता था, गिरते थे.
हाँ
लेकिन आज इफ यू पिक अप योर साइकिल यू कैन राइड फॉर आवर्स एंड आवर्स without thinking about balancing.
ओ
So what
दैट
did you do?
प्रैक्टिस
What
ओके
did you do? You acquired it as a skill. There are three ways. Knowing is knowledge, knowing how is practice, and knowingness. So
नोइंगनेस
knowingness, you like it's your second nature now to
Oh,
do it.
okay. That's
Cycling for
interesting.
you is a second nature now, right? You can just be lost in your own thoughts and cycle as long as you want to. That is what meditation is. So, more you meditate, more you acquire it as a skill. It's also like acquiring a skill, as simple as that. It's not mystical, it's not okay only available to some people. It's available to everyone. You just have to put in some effort, like you put effort in acquiring any skill.
Also, detachment is important, right? Because you have to like shant your mind with the
No,
negative thoughts,
no,
right?
no. Who
No?
said that? Now I'll give you an example. अगर मैं मेडिटेशन का एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ, बहुत आराम से तुम्हें एक्सप्लेन हो जाएगा. अगर मैं बोल रहा हूँ और बोल रहा हूँ, इतनी सारी चीजें बोल रहा हूँ मेडिटेशन के बारे में, और अगर 1 मिनट के लिए भी मैं
चुप हो जाओ नेटवर्क चलाया
अगर 1 सेकंड के लिए मैं चुप हुआ, तो एकदम से दिमाग में आ गया, अरे इतना शांति कैसे है, ये क्या हो गया, कुछ हुआ है क्या, कुछ हुआ है क्या.
हाँ
So that
right.
that that gap between one thought and the next is meditation. So you just have to work on that gap. It keeps increasing with practice. As soon as that first meditative experience happened and my mind just calmed down, there was just this one thought, अरे ये इतना चुप कैसे हो गया भाई, ये ऊपर क्या है, ये चुप कैसे हो गया है. That happened and suddenly like my life changed. My life changed, and that is probably because of Sadhguru that I was able to get to this experience in my life. In 7 days of staying with him, being with him, my personality completely changed. Uh, I was not anxious. I quit my 120 mgs of anti-anxiety, 10 mgs of antidepressants. ऐसे, ठीक है. आफ्टर द 7th डे आई जस्ट डिडंट टेक इट. जो सफर इख्तियार करते हैं वही मंजिलों को पार करते हैं.
हाँ
एक बार चलने का हौसला तो रख मेरे दोस्त,
हाँ
ऐसे मुसाफिरों का तो रास्ते भी इंतजार करते हैं.
क्या बात है
So start whichever way. You're feeling confident, you're not feeling confident, you have 100 डिफिकल्टीज इन योर लाइफ. अगर तुम्हारा मन है ना, तो मन मन को मत मारो, स्टार्ट करो. स्टार्ट करते करते अपने आप कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा. कॉन्फिडेंस का वेट करते रहोगे, कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आएगा, चीज कभी स्टार्ट नहीं होगी. और जिंदगी में जब जब अपने डेथ बेड पे होगे ना, एक ही रिग्रेट होगा, यार कर ही लेता स्टार्ट.
yeah that's but how important is validation to you? Is it important?
वैलिडेशन इज नॉट इट.
Not
It's
anybody's.
maybe my dear ones, dear close ones, my family.
Maybe, but that is a maybe. Like it's not. You've not noticed this about yourself.
पहले थी यार, आई हैव आउटग्रोन दैट.
Yeah.
मतलब
Adulting.
कितने टाइम तक तुम वैलिडेशन ढूंढते रहोगे भाई. मेरी जिंदगी में मेरी यो मेरी जिंदगी में क्या हो रहा है, मैं किसी और से वैलिडेशन चाहूं उस चीज की. You're giving all the power to someone else to decide how you feel. So I mean, that is slavery.
Emotional slavery. Okay.
Yeah, a command into someone else's hand.
Yeah, वो भी
Okay,
थोड़ा सा मतलब.
handle that as constructive criticism. Listen to them rather than outrightly being hurt and saying आप लोग तो समझते ही नहीं हो, ये नहीं करते हो, वो नहीं करते हो.
I do that. The entire thing I do. So you never did that. You were always a good,
नहीं नहीं, मैं नहीं कह रहा यार. मैं भगवान थोड़ा ना पैदा हुआ हूँ. मैं भी ऐसा ही था.
but evolve हुआ है.
इवॉल्व हुआ.
अच्छा.
कितने टाइम तक ये कर पाओगे?
Okay. तो अभी आते हैं इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट में. तुम्हारे 20s में रिलेशनशिप वाइज क्या हो रहा था? All of this ups and downs.
I have gone through heartbreaks.
Good times
I've gone
also.
through good
I hope.
times as well. Yeah, yeah, of course. Every sort of
Learning
thing.
बताओ सबसे बड़ी. What kind of person do you like in general? Not as a girlfriend only, but
Lives and let lives. Let others live.
calm.
Calm, sorted, ज़्यादा मतलब, as I mentioned to you last time, that okay, you are happy in your own self. I am happy in my own self. We come together to make it happier. That's what I want.
Okay.
मेरे को बहुत क्लियरली पता चल गया है कि as soon as you start mooching off happiness from someone else, वो ज्यादा टाइम तक लास्ट नहीं करता. क्योंकि यार देख रहे हैं, मैं ये मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड है और ये मैं हूँ. मैं इसमें कोक है. जस्ट
Your
इमेजिन इट एज
girlfriend.
लव. माई
Yeah.
गर्लफ्रेंड्स लव. आई
Yeah.
कीप मूचिंग ऑफ, आई कीप ड्रिंकिंग द लव आउट ऑफ. और कभी ना कभी तो ये भी खत्म होगी ना.
हाँ, but you
इसके
know,
पास एंडलेस रिसोर्स छोड़ना है. जब तक मेरे
happiness.
पास अपना खुद की हैप्पीनेस के चार्ज नहीं होगा कि मेरे को ये अच्छा लगता है, ये अच्छा लगता है, ये अच्छा लगता है, तब तक मैं खुद ही खुश नहीं होऊंगा. सो आई विल स्टार्ट स्टीलिंग हैप्पीनेस फ्रॉम समवन एल्स एंड सम अदर. व्हाई डू यू नीड टू put someone in a situation where that person has to take charge of your happiness as well with their own.
Okay. तो वो जो
So
हायर राइज हो रहा था दोनों एक साथ, वो कैसे हो रहा था? What is the contribution then?
higher rise हो रहा था क्या?
You are happy, your person's happy, and then together you get happier. तो वो contribution क्या है?
Just support, just love, good sex.
Love. What does love mean to you? बताओ.
Nurturing,
Nurturing.
not yeah, uh not fixing.
Okay.
Love to me is nurturing rather than fixing, because the approach that in today's world we follow, अरे मेरे हिसाब से ये नहीं हो रहा तो I need to fix this. I want it to be in this way. I want it to be in that way. Why does anything need to be fixed? They have another way of showing love. You have another way of showing love. That's good. At, like now that is why the whole concept of love languages is there. मैं एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि आज at this point my girlfriend, आज भी अगर हम 2 या 3 दिन बात नहीं करें तो शी इज ऑल राइट. शी इज हैप्पी इन हर ओन सेल्फ. शी इज हैप्पी इन हर ओन स्पेस. शी takes her time. Whenever we are meeting, whenever we start talking to each other, we are sharing happy moments. We are sharing some or the other struggle we faced in the last three uh, 3 days. And फिर भी हमें हमें अच्छा ही लग रहा होता है, rather than blaming each other कि भाई बात नहीं करी बात नहीं करी इतने दिन से कहाँ है, क्यों नहीं करता, ये क्यों नहीं होता, वैसा क्यों नहीं होता, तू क्यों नहीं करती. हम ये लड़ते हैं, इस चीज पे नहीं लड़ते. टच वुड. Other than this, there is this one thing as well. When love becomes performative, that okay, now you're going out into the world. You are fighting against the odds. You are fighting against people, your business में your competition. you are trying to make your own place in the world out there. Now, when you come back to your home, to your comfort space, which you call your partner, that should not be performative. That should be a place to recharge rather than
Impress your
rather than
partner.
impress your partner. That there is so much understanding that that आज मैंने कुछ बोला नहीं ना तब भी वो समझ गई, या फिर उसने कुछ बोला नहीं तब भी मैं समझ गया.
वो 3 डे ब्रेक ले रही है, वही वे मैं समझ गई. बहुत ही अच्छी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है फिर तो. शी इज ओके विद 3 days ऑफ नॉट टॉकिंग एंड स्टिल नॉट क्रिएटिंग अ सीन. लग्ड आउट.
Yes. एंड मैं अगर एग्जांपल दे, मैं लव लैंग्वेजेस के बारे में बात कर रहा था कि नाउ आई रेड दिस इन अ बुक दैट there are so many kinds of love language, words of affirmation and
गिफ्टिंग समबडी.
gifting.
हाँ हाँ.
Yeah, क्या क्या है?
बहुत सारे.
Words
आई
of
डोंट नो.
affirmation, words of affirmation, gifting. um भूल कैसे जाता हूँ यार मैं. मतलब words of affirmation, words of affirmation, gifting, acts of service. Words of affirmation, gifting, acts of service, और क्या था?
5 distinct ways people express word of affirmation, quality time, physical touch, acts of service, receiving gifts.
Yeah, so what are the 5 love languages?
Words of affirmation, quality time, physical touch, acts of service, receiving gifts.
Okay. Now, for example, my love language is words of affirmation. My girlfriend's love language is acts of service.
Acts of
Okay.
service, demonstrating. Okay.
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 Now, I like, so love के साथ क्या है ना, you express and receive in the same way. ठीक है. आज मेरी जो गर्लफ्रेंड है उसको उसका लव लैंग्वेज है एक्ट्स ऑफ सर्विस, तो वो मेरे लिए सर्विस करेगी. सर्विस करेगी क्या कि ओके कम हियर, आई डू दिस थिंग फॉर यू. ओके यू नीड टू गो गेट समथिंग, आई बुक अ कैब फॉर यू एंड यू कैन गो. सो माय गर्लफ्रेंड इज गोना एक्सप्रेस लव इन दिस वे. ओके. बट नाउ शी वांट्स टू रिसीव लव इन दैट सेम वे एज वेल.
Yeah.
वो
100%.
कहेगी कि जब मैं कहीं पे जा रही हूँ तो मेरे लिए कैब कर दे, जस्ट ओपन द डोर फॉर मी.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
एंड यू नो लाइक okay, like this is something that I'm not able to actually
Sit for
complete,
me.
so
Yeah.
sit with me,
Yeah.
help me. That is acts of service. लेकिन मी ऑन द अदर हैंड माई लव लैंग्वेज इज वर्ड्स ऑफ एफर्मेशन, कि मेरे को मोटिवेट करते रहो, मेरे को पुश कर दो, मेरे को पॉजिटिव, मेरे से पॉजिटिव बातें कर लो. एंड मी ऑन द अदर हैंड मैं भी जब शी इज वर्किंग, शी इज नॉट एबल टू फिगर आउट समथिंग, आई टेल हर दैट यू विल बी एबल टू फिगर आउट.
Yeah.
You are so brilliant, you have figured this out, you figured that out, you have done this in your life, so this is such a small deal, you will be able to complete it.
Yeah.
लेकिन अब मेरी लव लैंग्वेज और उसकी लव लैंग्वेज
Mismatch
रेजोनेट
है.
नहीं कर रही.
Yeah.
मिक्स मैच है.
हाँ.
लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं प्यार नहीं दिखा रहा और ऐसा नहीं है वो प्यार नहीं दिखा रही. उसको प्यार वैसे चाहिए जो उसको चाहिए, मेरे को प्यार वैसे देना है जो जैसे मेरे को देना है ना. तो इसीलिए बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है लव लैंग्वेज को समझना कि उसकी क्या है, तुम्हारी क्या है, दूसरे वाले की क्या है. जब पता चल जाएगा तो तुम्हें पता होगा कि ओ दिस इज हिज वे ऑफ एक्सप्रेसिंग लव. एंड दिस पर्सन विल फील ओके आई एम बीइंग लव्ड, बट उसका एक्सप्रेशन किसी और चीज में है, तो मैं सोचूंगा अच्छा तू मेरे लिए ऐसे कर रही है. अब नाउ बिकमिंग परफॉर्मेटिव अबाउट दिस थिंग इज वेल, कि तूने ऐसे नहीं किया, तूने ये नहीं किया, तूने वो नहीं किया, तो वो तो स्ट्रगल तो आएगा ही ना. So that is what you have to avoid, and that is why love languages are very important.
So you should know कि अगर डिफरेंट है तो उसमें खुश रहो. वो चेंज करने की
हाँ,
कोशिश मत
चेंज
करो.
नहीं. मेरे सबसे बड़ी लर्निंग यही है. रिलेशनशिप, you need to make nurture a person in a way that they achieve more with you rather than feel caged with you. मेरी सबसे
Okay.
बड़ी लर्निंग यही है रिलेशनशिप.
ओके, सो राइट नाउ यू डोंट फील केज्ड, ऑफ कोर्स वो काफी सही जा रहा है। बट तुम मुझे ये बताओ कि व्हाट चेंजेस, क्योंकि रिसेंट रिसेंट है तो इसलिए व्हाट चेंजेस इन योर लाइफ व्हेन यू हैव अ सपोर्ट सिस्टम लाइक अ पार्टनर, ठीक है? बिकॉज इफ यू थिंक ऑफ गेटिंग मैरिड, व्हाई डू यू वांट टू गेट मैरिड? बिकॉज सोसाइटी एक टाइमलाइन देती है, या फिर यू थिंक नहीं इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट? व्हाट इज इन योर हेड अबाउट मैरिज?
मेरे लिए ये कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं। सोसाइटी सोसाइटी टाइमलाइन देती है, हाँ मैं मानता हूँ, लेकिन लेकिन समटाइम्स यू जस्ट फील ओके, ये जिस दिन शादी करनी होती है ना, जिस दिन यू आर श्योर दैट ओके आई वांट टू बी
Spend
विद
the rest
दैट
of my life with you. Yeah.
पेंडर, it's so darn clear in your head. You don't think that how it's gonna happen, why it's happening too early, it's happening too late. I don't think that happens.
But will you pressurize yourself if it doesn't happen according to timeline? Like, would you push it कि because I'm not feeling
नहीं यार,
it?
मैंने जितने लोगों को देखा है ना, अरे टाइम निकल रहा है, अरे टाइम निकल रहा है,
हाँ
अरे शादी नहीं
हाँ
हो रही,
हाँ।
शादी नहीं हो रही, उनकी नहीं हो रही। सच्ची बता रहा हूँ यार।
Okay.
मैंने सोचा मेरे को करनी नहीं है अभी, और मेरी हो रही।
That is great. That is great.
यार सो यार यही चीज है। अब ये मैनिफेस्टेशन से भी कनेक्ट होता है कि अगर अगर जितना पुश करते रहो कि ये चाहिए 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 चाहिए, यू आर मूविंग दैट थिंग अवे बिकॉज यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम अ प्लेस ऑफ लैक। तो वो तुम्हें मिलता ही नहीं। जिस दिन तुमने मैनिफेस्ट कर दिया और छोड़ दिया, दिमाग से निकाल दो कि भैया हमने कभी मांगा भी था, अपने आप तुम्हारे पास चल के ऐसे सर झुकाते हुए आएगा वो चीज।
क्या बात है?
रियली
Okay. And what scares you about marriage? Is there anything that scares you about marriage, or it
नथिंग
doesn't?
नथिंग स्कैर्स।
Nothing scares you about marriage. ये सदगुरु वाला डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर नहीं चलेगा।
ये सदगुरु वाला डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर सच्ची में नहीं है। मेरे को कुछ स्कैर नहीं कर रहा है।
Spend नहीं करता है seriously, and the cheating
मुझे
part of it, which
मुझे
people are doing.
एक्चुअली कुछ भी स्कैरी नहीं लग रहा।
What if you change, or what if the other person changes? What if people cheat on each other? ये सब कुछ, does it bother you?
यार मेरे को ये समझ नहीं आता भाई, मतलब आगे की 6 से 8 साल की टेंशन में अभी से लेके बैठ जाऊं, व्हाट इफ ही चेंजेस,
Live
व्हाट
in
इफ
the
दिस
moment.
दिस हैपेंस, दैट हैपेंस। अरे होगा तो देखेंगे।
वो तो देखेंगे seriously.
हाँ देख लेंगे, मतलब we'll fucking cross the bridge when it comes to it, right?
That is
Why
an
do you have to
amazing.
unnecessarily talk about, just like have a dialogue about everything in your head? Just let time show you something, right?
And how have you changed? जब तुम 20 years के पीयूष थे और अभी में in relationships, are you a more mature person, or is it the same person
No,
in relationships?
definitely mature. I
कैसे?
पहले पहले मैं भी वैसा होता था यार। एवरीवन इज लाइक दैट, ओके वी हैव टू टेक्स्ट 8 hours, वी हैव टू डू दिस, वी हैव टू डू दैट, वी हैव टू डू क्यूट थिंग्स टुगेदर। बट नाउ it's not like that. I would love to do cute things, I would love to bake cakes, I would love to like do anything in my capacity for the person I'm with, but at the same time if that doesn't happen, I'm
Doesn't
fine.
happen.
Doesn't happen, I'm fine. So that level of distance from just these constant urges is something that I've developed and I've matured with it. I don't ask a person to do anything for me. I don't push them कि तुम्हें ऐसे सोचना चाहिए, ऐसे सोचना चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए। जैसा है ठीक है। हाँ, if you ask for my help, I'll definitely be there. I'll push you, I'll be there for you. लेकिन मतलब मेरे लिए ऐसे भी ठीक है, वैसे भी ठीक है।
अगर सिचुएशन दे रही हूँ मैं, if you really expect your partner to act a certain way on sharing a news, and if they don't act that way, you wanted their help or you wanted them to be more supportive, कुछ भी ऐसा, कुछ sensitive बारे में, and then you don't get it, what is your reaction? Would you show it to her, or would you like just keep it in your heart, let it go? What is your reaction अभी?
Initially I will keep it in my heart. मैं मतलब like I am not very confrontational about all of these things. Confrontational in the sense like वो पंजाबी में बोलते हैं ना, मिट्टी पाओ,
Yeah, जाने दो. Yeah.
जाने दो। मैं ऐसा हो जाता हूँ क्योंकि मैं बहुत जल्दी चीजें भूल भी जाता हूँ। लाइक आई डोंट होल्ड ग्रजेस, आई डोंट कीप इट टू माई हार्ट। लेकिन like if it constantly happens, of course I mean I will mention that okay, this is not sitting well with me. If you can, if that is, if it's not uh, something that will require a lot of effort from you, please understand.
Do it. झगड़ा नहीं, but you're just asking the
And
person.
I would never say do it. I would try to make the person understand. अगर नहीं समझ आ रहा तो ठीक है, अगर समझ आ जाता है तो ठीक है, फिर कर दो उसको.
झगड़ा कभी हो ही नहीं रहा है फिर तो, नहीं समझ आता
हाँ,
तब भी ठीक है, तो झगड़ा कभी हो ही नहीं रहा है फिर, अगर नहीं समझ आता है
नहीं
तब भी ठीक है।
यार ऐसा नहीं है. लाइक नो वन, एवरीवन ह्यूमन, झगड़ा होता है. एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई से, लाइक पता है झगड़ा होना भी चाहिए. जब
हाँ।
तक झगड़ा नहीं होगा ना, यू कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड द अदर पर्सन कि भाई तुम कॉन्फ्लिक्ट मैनेजमेंट कैसे करते हो. लव, लव मैनेजमेंट, विलिंगनेस, ये तीन तीन पिलर्स हैं जो मैं कहता हूँ. लव, मैनेजमेंट, विलिंगनेस. अगर लव गया तो मैनेजमेंट तो होगी नहीं, विलिंगनेस भी चली जाएगी. ठीक है. अगर अगर विलिंगनेस गई तो मैनेजमेंट नहीं होगी, मैनेजमेंट से लव चला जाएगा. अगर मैनेजमेंट नहीं हुआ तो लव में फ्रिक्शन आएगी और विलिंगनेस नहीं काम करेगी. विलिंगनेस तो होगी नहीं फिर. तो ये तीनों चीजें एट एट पार होनी चाहिए. मतलब कभी कुछ कम हो जाए तो कभी कुछ ऊपर हो जाए.
ओके ओके, एंड हाउ आर यू इन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स? जब कन्फ्रंटेशंस होते हैं, डू यू गेट वेरी टॉक्सिक, डू यू लूज योर कूल, और आर यू एबल टू मेंटेन योर काम एंड से कि नहीं नहीं ये लाइन क्रॉस नहीं कर सकता मैं, या फिर ये।
नहीं यार, मतलब मैं जनरली आई एम कूल. जनरली I don't lose my temper. I lose my temper very less. लेकिन अगर कुछ मतलब वो दीवार, मतलब अगर मैं दीवार पे सर मार रहा हूँ तो मैं गुस्सा भी आता है यार. गुस्सा सबको आता है यार. मतलब it's no one is perfect at the end of it. We have to stop chasing that that perfect image in our head that okay, I want to get someone perfect. There will not be anyone perfect. You have to meet anyone halfway.
ओके, तो फिर एक टिप दे दो, बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग टू हैप्पी रिलेशनशिप नाउ. पीपल हाउ विल दे रिकॉग्नाइज कि इसके साथ कुछ हो सकता है? पहले पहली बार फर्स्ट 2-3 डेट पे कैसे लोग रिकॉग्नाइज करें कि दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ गुड रिलेशनशिप, दिस कैन बी समथिंग?
First, are you feeling at peace when you're around them? Are you performative, or you are
ओके
actually, or are you actually at ease? ठीक है.
या
Second, if that person is pushing you to be a better self, rather than telling you नहीं नहीं तुझे ये नहीं करना. ठीक है. If that person is supporting you in whatever your life goals are. And
ओके
fourth, एक और चीज थी. How much fun you have with that person when you are stepping out. क्योंकि वो कहते हैं ना, प्यार दोस्ती है.
हाँ 100%,
तो
100%।
अगर इफ यू स्टेपिंग आउट, अगर तुम बोर हो रहे हो तो बहुत टाइम तक नहीं चलेगी. तो मेरे लिए तो ये चार चीजें मतलब मेरे को समझा देती हैं कि हाँ ये है, यही है.
ओके, फाइनली फाइनली बताइए आप हमारी नई जनरेशन के लिए, यू आर ऑल्सो नई जनरेशन के लिए वन एडवाइस आप देना चाहोगे?
मैं ये एडवाइस ऑलरेडी दे चुका हूँ कि मतलब इतने सारे ब्रेकअप्स, इतने सारे वो इसलिए होते हैं क्योंकि हम एक दूसरे से मूच ऑफ करते हैं चीजें.
हाँ,
वो नहीं
नहीं
करना.
करना चाहिए।
मूच ऑफ नहीं करना चाहिए. बी हैप्पी. ट्राई टू बी हैप्पी इन योर ओन self first and then enter into a relationship. There are people who go through one breakup and enter the second relationship right after that. Right? First, understand yourself rather than just switching to another person. ताकि अच्छा वो वाला आदमी मेरे लिए चीजें नहीं कर रहा था, तो अब शायद ये वाला आदमी मेरे लिए चीजें करते. You are not growing. You are staying in your own box as well. Just asking someone else to fill that box. That's all. So before stop mooching off happiness from another person. Be happy and then enter a relationship. That मैं
Okay.
अपने में पूछूं उसके बाद मैं कह रहा हूँ. And second, don't try to fix love. Nurture it. As much as you nurture it, it will make you grow and the other person grows.
Okay. Okay. एंड लास्टली बताओ क्या मिस कर दिया है मैंने, क्या एक इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन या इम्पोर्टेंट लाइफ एस्पेक्ट मैंने मिस कर दिया है जो हमें डिस्कस करनी थी, ऐसा कुछ है which I have missed? Think this is
नहीं
very
यार,
very
I'm pretty satisfied with my conversation, honestly.
important.
आप
अच्छा, तो
सब
कवर्ड ऑल बेसिस। फिर अभी
yeah.
आफ्टरनून नैप,
हाँ.
अभी फिर आफ्टरनून नैप, और इज इट लाइक क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट?
No, I'll have to script. I have to create content.
अरे यार नहीं, मेरे लिए हो गया, मेरे लिए आफ्टरनून नैप इट्स लाइक इट्स अ गुड कॉन्वर्सेशन आफ्टरनून नैप, बट फर्स्टली यू आर द फर्स्ट पर्सन आई एम इंटरव्यूइंग जो कि रिलेशनशिप में है और जो कि बहुत जल्दी शायद शादी करने वाला है, सो दैट इज वेरी प्रीटी एक्साइटिंग फॉर मी। सो कांग्रेचुलेशंस पीयूष,
Yep.
थैंक यू एंड हैव अ ग्रेट लाइफ। और इतना इतना तो ज्ञानी है, आप क्या ही बता सकते हैं, ऑल द बेस्ट की जरूरत तो है नहीं। एंड हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस? हाँ वो मैंने पूछना ही भूल गया।
My experience was beautiful. The first time, as I told you, like your startup, what you are doing,
तो
actually
लाइक
has a
प्रोजेक्ट ही
market.
बोलो, पैशन प्रोजेक्ट। आई एम इवन लाइक स्कैर्ड ऑफ कॉलिंग इट अ स्टार्टअप, उसको ना मैं पैशन प्रोजेक्ट बोलती हूँ इसलिए।
So that's beautiful that you have taken this step and you're connecting. So you will be connecting so many people, and as I told you, my friends are also looking for rishtas and stuff like that. But the
शादी
filthy
रोटी।
the filthy rishtas that they get, they're just, you know, running more and more away from it.
या सेम या
So that is a very good thing that you're doing, and even this whole podcasting and going out to taking this as a marketing strategy is also very good. It's
नो,
beautiful.
हाउ डिड
What
यू
you're doing.
फील? आई डोंट वांट लाइक अ नॉर्मल, ये जनरल
How
मुझे
I
वो
how do
आंसर।
I feel? I do I feel. I feel that this is my first podcast I've been asked for. I've been hosted as a guest. I mean, it's the first time someone has asked my journey and how it has been. So I was so pumped since the start. Like I want to do it,
या
and I feel really good. And I from this time from this podcast, I just want to go be a guest at more podcasts
रियली दैट
because
इज
it's
सक्सेस।
yeah. That's I just feel good about it.
दैट्स अ सक्सेस। तो फिर नहीं नहीं, आप जाइए कंटेंट बनाएंगे, संडे आपका खराब नहीं करेंगे और ज्यादा। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग अ लवली गेस्ट पीयूष। फाइनली हो गया हमारा पॉडकास्ट रिकॉर्ड, आई एम फीलिंग वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट इट। इतना डिले होते 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 लगा था कि होगा ही नहीं, बट चलो फाइनली हो गया। सो थैंक यू।
Kudos to you. Kudos to what's the
योरसेल्फ
platform?
आल्सो।
What's the
एक
platform?
धुन, यू
Riverside.
कांट फॉरगेट एक धुन।
नहीं, what's the this platform as well? आ रहा हूँ उस पे भी.
रिवरसाइड रिवरसाइड।
Cheers to you. Cheers to Riverside. Cheers to Igdun Souls. Cheers to Gyandu Baba.
योरसेल्फ या।
Cheers to this Diet Coke, the caffeine, and I
और
like this.
लाइट चला गया।
Yes, ma'am. So, thank you for hosting me again.
थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग हियर पीयूष। चलो सी यू,
Adios.
बाय बाय।
Bye.